When you are arrested for a DUI in California, the case is prosecuted in the county where the arrest happened, full stop on location. It does not follow you home, and it does not transfer to your home state's courts. That fixed address can feel intimidating from hundreds of miles away, but it does not mean the case is unmanageable from a distance. Here is the part most tourists do not know. For a misdemeanor DUI, your attorney can usually appear in court for you under Penal Code 977, which is the defendant appearance waiver. In plain English, that means a local California attorney stands in your place at most hearings, so you do not have to buy a plane ticket every time there is a court date. Communication by phone, email, and video, plus electronic document signing, makes handling the case from home a real option for most visitors. Even as a visitor, California can act against your privilege to drive within the state, and the same 10-day deadline to request a DMV hearing applies to you just as it does to any California resident. Being from out of state does not pause that clock. Requesting the hearing protects your ability to drive in California and is part of handling the case correctly. It is easy to overlook this deadline in the rush of getting home, so flag it immediately. Most states share DUI information with each other through an interstate compact, which is a formal agreement between states to exchange driving records. That means a California conviction is likely to reach your home state's motor vehicle department, and your home state then applies its own rules about what happens to your license there. The California case and your home state's response are connected but legally separate, and both deserve attention at the same time. Tourists face a real disadvantage on roads they do not know. GPS distraction, hesitating at an unfamiliar interchange, slowing to find an exit, or making a wrong turn can all produce driving behavior that looks suspicious, but has nothing to do with alcohol. When the stop is examined, the context of being a stranger navigating an unfamiliar area is worth raising, because innocent explanations for the officer's observations are a legitimate part of evaluating any DUI case. If you are visiting California from another country, a DUI can raise immigration and visa concerns that go well beyond the criminal case itself. The stakes can be significant, and the right resolution needs to account for those consequences from the very beginning, not as an afterthought once the criminal side is handled. A case strategy that works fine for a domestic tourist may create serious problems for an international visitor, so make sure your attorney understands the immigration dimension on day one. A tourist DUI in California is disorienting, but the distance is manageable, the defenses are real, and results vary depending on the facts of your specific case. I'm Joel Brand, a California DUI lawyer. This is general information, not legal advice. If you want a free written case analysis, it is at DUI.guru.